I am Dr. Janelle Alex.
Hi, I'm Colleen.
Hi, I'm Janice. We're the McLaughlin family.
And I'm Laura. We're part of the King family.
I wanted to share how much we really like CTCMath.
And I was so happy to find CTCMath.
I found CTCMath and I've been so happy with it.
I'm just here to share what we've come to love and appreciate about CTCMath.
This is an amazing program.
It's a superb program.
The things that I love most about it is that it's one price and it's a low price and it's for the whole family.
The family pricing is outstanding.
It was super inexpensive.
It is well worth it.
It's amazing.
The teaching is excellent, it's succinct.
I love that they can and if they forget something, they can look back at the grade before and see what they need to see.
They can watch the videos over and over.
You can access the different levels.
The record keeping, again, is simplified.
They track the progress.
It's so easy to keep up with their progress.
Totally worth it.
The girls love doing their math.
And my kids are happy with it.
He really fell in love with it.
I'm in love with this program.
I hope that others will see the value in it. It is excellent.
That's all I wanted to do, so big shout out to CTCMath.
Good luck to anybody that starts this program, and thank you, CTCMath.
Thank you, CTCMath.
We love you, CTCMath.
And I suggest that you give it a try too.